guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Erica. Today we're going to be unboxing the June 2020 PreCuts Classic Quilt Box. They do have some other subscription boxes available, so if you're unfamiliar with PreCuts, I highly suggest you check out their website to see all of the different options. But like I said, this is the classic box. It comes with fabric patterns and lots of sewing notions. Let's go ahead and take a look and see what's inside. So in all their boxes, they have this little info sheet, and it tells everything that's in your box, the retail value, so you know what your box value was. This particular box was curated by FIGTREE Quilts, and it has some information here on the back about Joanna Figueroa, and she just has a little quote in there and talking about her company. And I love FIGTREE. They're one of my favorite fabric designers, so I'm really excited about this box. They also have information on here on last month's winner. So if you get these boxes and you post them on your social media using the hashtag PreCuts Quilt Shop or PreCuts Quilt Box, you're entered to win one of the boxes for free. So that's always cool, so make sure you share your boxes when you get them. Let's go ahead and see what's inside. Alright, so the first thing in my box here is a friction erasable pin, and these are fine point. This one that I have in mine I think is like a kind of a hot pinkish fuchsia type of color. It's retail value of $2. And if you've watched any of my videos, you know that I love these friction erasable pins. They come off with heat, so you can draw quilt lines, you can do all kinds of things with these, draw diagonal lines on the backs of your blocks with them, and then you can just iron them off. Now, one thing to know about these is that if you have a project that you're not going to wash after you've ironed them off, the quilt lines can reappear if the item gets cold. So, for example, I did a little mini quilt for Jason's grandma. Jason's my husband, his grandma, and it's hanging out in her little entryway to her house, and it gets kind of chilly out there, and unfortunately I did some embroidery on it and my quilt line showed back up. So if you use these on any of your quilts, you can just iron them off so they're gone, and then when you stick them in the wash they won't reappear. But just something to be aware of. I always love friction pins, and it's fun to have one in my box. The next thing in our box here is this silk finish 50 weight solid cotton thread. This is a METTLER mercerized cotton thread, and it's in this really pretty kind of, it's kind of like a royal blue color. It retail values for $3.65, and they're pretty good about throwing in matching thread in their boxes. I tend to use a different brand of thread most of the time, so I can't 100% speak on the METTLER thread, but I have heard it's a decent brand. So the next thing in my box is this cute little apron. Looks like it was put out by Moda Fabrics and Urban Chicks, and it is just this really cute striped apron, and it's of course perfect size. And it has this cute little, it's got these two straps so you can tie on it, and then it's got this cute little pocket in the front here so you can put like your crafting supplies and things like that in it. I think this is a really cute idea. And yeah, this one is retailing for $19.95, and I have yet to get a box with an apron in it, so it's kind of fun. The next thing in our box here is this cute regatta quilt pattern by FIGTREE Quilts. This retails for $9.75. The quilt size is 74 by 77 inches, featuring the Catalina fabric collection. Looks super cute. And for the sails in the boat, it looks like you're using one jelly roll, or you can use a large assortment of 1/8 yards in a variety of colors to create the sails, and then just creams for the waves. So it does look like you would need to get some background fabric and also some of this navy for the boat print, but it's really cute. And then the fabric for this month's box is an entire roll of Catalina fabric by FIGTREE Quilts, and that is one of my favorite things about this box, is that they always include a massive stash of fabric. They definitely don't skimp on the fabric. And like I mentioned, this is their classic box, but they do have a fabric only box if you're kind of over the notions and patterns and just want to get to the fabric. And it's full of, I think it's 16 fat quarters, so it's a really nice full box of fabric. But either way, I feel like they always do a really good job of stuffing their boxes full of really cool stuff. So here is the Catalina fabric if you haven't seen it. It's really pretty, definitely true to FIGTREE form. It definitely looks like a FIGTREE fabric, and then of course it goes perfectly with this cute sailboat pattern that comes with it. So that is everything that comes in this month's box, and I think the value, let's see, postal service was $8.85, bringing the total value of this box to $84.24, which is a great value. My favorite things are definitely the pattern and the fabric. I always love that they put tons of fun fabric in their boxes. They definitely don't skimp on that. And then actually I think the apron is actually really cute too. I do not have one of these crafting aprons. I love Moda. I'm definitely a fan of theirs. And so this is a really cute, fun addition to the box. So let me know in the comments what your favorite product was from this month's unboxing. I will also put a link on where you can get the PreCuts boxes in the description box below this video. So make sure to click the show more link if you would like to get more information on them. If you like this video, please make sure to thumbs up and subscribe. That way I know to keep making them for you. Thanks so much for joining me today, and I will see you next time. Oh, and before I forget, I will put a link for this box in the description box below, so you can definitely check out. Whatever, I'll say that at the end. Post them using hashtag, what's it called? Made by, what is it called? In collaboration with, no, curated 0790. I don't know. 1999. I'm gonna have to step back for this next one. So they put in this cute little apron. This is by Urban Chicks, I think, and it's featuring the paper quilt pattern featuring, oh, either is a light blue. The sails and the waves. Oh, I get it. Okay. So if you do this, so if you use these on any of your, whoa, dropping stuff. And then actually I think the pattern, so the final value for this box is $84.24. And I didn't even notice, but I'm wearing a sailboat on my shirt today. I promise that wasn't planned.